Hello, Mariam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing great. So, Mariam, this is your speaking test session. I will ask you some questions what you have learned from the classes. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. My first question is to you. Can you say something about yourself?
I'm Maramata. I'm 12 years old. I come from Kustia. I live in a city called Dhaka. I have three people in my family. They are my father, mother, and me. My interests are traveling and crafting. My favorite color are black. And my favorite person is my mother because her ideologies give me a lot. My I
Because she's in front of you. That's why you are saying my favorite person is my mother. Okay, Mariam. Then can you tell me three IPS sounds with their tongue twisters?
The sound is pop, the letter is P, and the tongue twister is Polly put purple paint in the book. The sound is T, the letter is T, and the tongue twister is Teacher told me to teach a typical topic. The sound is B, the letter is B, and the tongue twister is about a big basketball.
Where do you live in?
I live in Karaniganj.
Okay. May I know how old you are?
I'm 12 years old. I was born in 2014.
Okay. What's your full name?
My full name is MST Mariamata. Mariam is my nickname, but everyone calls me Shara.
Who kept your name?
My parents all kept my name because it distinguishes me from others' name.
Can you say something about your family members' personality?
I would like to say something about my family members' personality. First of all, I'm friendly. My mother is broad-minded. My father is hardworking. My uncle is diligent. My aunt is faithful. My grandfather is loving, and my grandmother is loving too.
Could you tell me what is the full form of IPA?
The full form of IPA is International Phonetics Alphabet.
How many symbols are there?
There are 44 symbols in IPA.
Then how many aspirated symbols are there?
There are three aspirated symbols. Are they?
What are they?
They are P, T, K.
Can you say the phonic sound of alphabet?
The A, B, 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 K, C, K, K, K.
I got it. How many B verbs are there?
There are 10 beavers.
What are they?
Present tense, am, is, are.
Yes.
Past tense, was, were. Future tense, shall be, will be. Others, be, been, be.
And can you say something about your family?
I'm Mariam Akhtar. I'm 12 years old. I'm a student of class 5. I study at middle scholastic school and college. My father's name is Ripon Sardar. He is 36 years old. He is a businessman. He works at Armani Tola. My mother's name is Shurigam. She is 30 years old. She is a homemaker. She works at home. My grandfather's name is Yusuf Ali Sardar. He is 60 years old. He works at Armani Tola. My grandmother's name is Dulfa Begum. She is 55 years old. She is a homemaker. She works at home.
Do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet?
There are 26 letters in English alphabet.
How many vowel letters are there?
There are 5 vowel letters in
What are
alphabet.
they?
They are A, E, I, O, U.
How many consonant letters are there?
There are 21 consonant letters.
And how many semi-vowel letters are there?
There are 2 semi-vowel letters.
What are they?
They are W and Y.
That's great. You're awesome, fantastic. That's all about your speaking test session. See you in the next session. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Did you feel nervous? A little bit.